Alright guys, today we're going to be cooking up a California smash burger for you. There's a little bit of controversy of this in my household. My wife's from California, she has a burger her way, I have it my way, so today we're going to cook it my way. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is start with our sauce. We have about 3 parts mayonnaise, 1 part ketchup, and a splash of Sriracha and mustard. Just regular yellow mustard. Alright, so we got a little bit of pickles. These are dill pickles here, so just add some in there. I use fresh pickles. You can use relish, but I think the fresh pickles taste a little better. Alright guys, so we're going to throw our bacon, our burgers, our buns on out here on the grill. Our buns. Give one toss. Go ahead and pass these things. Take these off. Pepper mixture on these things. Go ahead and flip these. Our edges are starting to flip up. A little more seasoning on them. Season them up right away. They don't need much time to cook on this side. Stack them. Alright guys, so now it's time to build this burger. First thing we're going to do is take our patties, our buns, and slap some sauce on both sides. Alright, on the bottom we're going to put our lettuce on, onion, slice of tomato, our patties, bacon, and some avocado. Alright, let's slap that crown on there. Alright guys, so before we get any further, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe button. Let us know how we're doing. I'd really appreciate it. Alright guys, so let's take a bite of this thing. That is so damn good. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos. Alright,